अजीब मंज़र देखा मैंने न्यूयॉर्क में। ये खातून नए साल के आगाज़ में समंदर के किनारे अकेली खड़ी नाच रही थी, रक़्स कर रही थी। तो मैं आया इनके पास और मैंने इनसे कुछ बात किया। हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम? Esther. Esther, I was watching you behind. You are dancing here. What kind of style this is to welcoming a new year? Like whole New York is doing something else, but you are alone here. You see? So, can you please explain?
Yes, I was just dancing salsa and other solo dance to let go and release of whatever I might be holding, whatever is not serving my highest good as a true creator. And I was releasing also for other people to welcome, to make space for the new year. And also I just swim in the ocean. So it's
You
nice.
swim in the ocean in this weather?
Yes, I just
Easter? Seriously?
Yes, I just did it for about 9 minutes. So it's also a way to warm up my body. Yes.
Wow. You never feel cold?
I do feel cold. That's why I was dancing to warm up. So to go in is painful first in the body, but our mind and also the body is very powerful. It's very resilient. After practice, after repetition, the mind overcomes the physical pain and difficulty.
Really, I was watching you behind. You are here alone dancing, and I just want to ask one question. Is this belong to some kind of spirituality?
I do Reiki for professional. That's my profession. But ocean dancing is not. That doesn't belong to any kind of religion. If you want to call it spirituality, you could call it. But it's mainly just uplifting your spirit, make you feel happy, better.
Maybe I feel you are getting some kind of energy from ocean.
I'm sorry.
You are getting energy from ocean.
Oh yes. Everybody, we all are getting energy from the ocean and the nature. We are not always aware of it. But and I'm
How can we do this? How can we do this? Teach us some lessons.
There's no lesson. You could just have more contact with the nature. Ocean, be near the ocean. Just try to be still. Near the ocean, near the nature, in the nature. Yeah.
What you do in your real life?
I'm a Reiki teacher, Reiki master, practitioner. Yes.
Wow. Can you please explain in one-liner what is Reiki master?
Reiki is a healing valley originated from Japan, and it's hands-on healing energy focus, and I teach also the healing.
Easter, Happy New Year.
Thank you, you too, and Happy New Year to everybody in the world, and I wish peace.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. ले देखें पीस, अमन, प्यार, मोहब्बत, शांति, प्रीत, लगन, चाहत, रक्स और फिर अकेले ही रक्स और फिर मतलब बहुत ही कीमती लोग मुझे अक्सर मिलते हैं और मैं उन कीमती लोगों का ऐसे ही इस्तकबाल करता हूँ अपनी ज़िंदगी में जैसे मैंने इन खातून से बात करके किया. मेरी अंग्रेज़ी थोड़ी टूटी फूटी है मगर फिर भी चलती है, अच्छी खासी चलती है. और 1-1.5-2 साल और ज़रा सब्र कर लें, ये इतनी चलेगी कि आपका भाई बड़ी ही फ्रीक्वेंटली इंग्लिश बोलेगा. तो अगर कोई मैंने गलत लफ्ज़ बोल दिया हो या कोई समझ रहे हैं तो फिर ज़रा माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. चले ना कीजिएगा, माफ़ करना हमारी आदत ही नहीं है. तो ये जी हम यहाँ से एक मुनफरद अंदाज़ का साइनिंग ऑफ करते हैं ब्राइटन बीच से. ईस्टर से मुलाकात कैसी लगी कमेंट्स में मुझे लिख कर बताइए. अपना ख्याल तो सब रखते हैं, आप उनका भी ख्याल रखा करें. जिनका कोई ख्याल नहीं रखता, अल्लाह हो आप सबका हामी व नासिर. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.